Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make date brownies step by step. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and greasing an 8x8-inch pan. Chop 1 cup of pitted dates and set aside. Cream 1/2 cup unsalted butter with 3/4 cup sugar until light, then beat in 2 eggs one at a time. Fold in 1 cup flour, 1/3 cup cocoa, and 1 teaspoon baking powder until combined. Now make the date paste that gives these brownies their rich texture and natural sweetness. Soak chopped dates in hot water for about 10 minutes, then drain. Place the softened dates in a blender with 1 tablespoon vanilla and a pinch of salt, and process into a smooth paste. Taste and adjust sweetness if needed, then fold the paste gently into the prepared batter to keep the brownies tender and moist. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing in the kitchen while baking. It keeps your feet happy through long baking sessions and tastes testing. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Pour the combined batter into your greased 8x8 pan and smooth the top so the brownies bake evenly. Bake at 350 degrees F for about 20 to 25 minutes, checking with a toothpick for moist crumbs, but not raw batter. Let the pan cool for 15 minutes on a wire rack, then gently lift the brownies out to finish cooling. Slice into bars and serve warm or at room temperature for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.